Welcome back to another episode of POPxo Hair Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do these beautiful braided hairstyles with your scarf. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Do let us know in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box below. And for more such content, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.